What's up, traders? I'm Hotshot. This channel and video is for entertainment and my own learning purposes only. This is not financial or trading advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Please trade at your own risk. With that being said, I really do appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. You truly do make my days better. If you're not subscribed yet, hopefully we can earn your subscription at the end of this video. But in this video, I'm gonna do the ICT AM silver bullet, but I'm gonna backtest it on Euro USD on Forex. Now I know it is specific to um it's specific to ES, the E-mini S&P. The reason why is because it's a five handle stop, a five handle take profit. This one we're going to use the same approach, except we're going to put the stop loss under the first candle of the fair value gap pattern. So like, for example, right here, if you notice, there's this big fair value gap right here. If you took entry off of it, let's say you took entry off of it. This is just an example, okay? You're not going to take entry off of something like this. But if you took entry off of the fair value gap like this first candle right here, this one, this black candle right here, this one is the first candle of the fair value gap pattern. Why is it the first candle? Because we connect this wick and this wick to create the fair value gap. So it's a 1, 2, 3 candle pattern, okay? And we're always going to put the stop loss at the one candle of the wick, or at the wick of the one candle, I should say. So right there, it'd be about a 7.5 if we lined it up. But that's how we're going to utilize it here, since we can't utilize a five handle stop. But excuse me. And with that being said, a lot of y'all gave me some criticism in my last one whenever I back tested on the E-mini S&P, and y'all said that it's easy to do it in hindsight, and I totally agree with that. So this time we're going to go back and we're going to use the replay tool, and we're going to do it live, literally like if we were trading it. And I'm actually going to keep track. We're going to start a $100,000 account. We're going to use it like if we're actually trading this, okay? And we're going to see if ICT's silver bullet is profitable in Forex, specifically the Euro US dollar. So we're going back in time. We literally have no idea what is going down right now, what's going to happen. And this is about a month back now. About a month. So we're going to back test about a month on here. Maybe we could go like a month and a half. Do you think it'll go a little longer? I don't think it's going to let us. It's going to stop us right there. Yep, it's going to stop us right there. Okay, so we can only really go back a month. Okay, so we're just going to go back a month. Okay, cool. So literally have no idea what's going to happen, what time. Okay, so for the silver bullet, you want to hunt the silver bullet from 10 to 11 is when you want to enter. However, ICT speaks of a macro that begins from 9:50 a.m. to 10:10 a.m. And this macro is supposed to be the macro that does the run on liquidity right before the displacement and the fair value gap. Okay, now again, if you don't have your time set to New York, you can change your time right down here. You can set it to New York. The UTC doesn't matter. It's different for everyone. Just make sure your time's on New York. Okay, now we're going to drop a line on 9:50. We're going to drop a line on 10:10. This is the time we want to see the run on liquidity. Okay, let's go to that time and let's see that run on liquidity. 50 here. Where is liquidity at? We have liquidity right up here. We have some liquidity down here. Small swing low, right? It ran out some liquidity right there. Let's see, maybe if it displaces this way, we can possibly consider an entry. I'm gonna go a little slower. Giving some candles. Okay, that's a run on liquidity. It's really close to this one. Let's see if it runs it out. Oh, that looked like it was gonna displace. I didn't though. Okay, that's the run on liquidity. Let's see it now displaced. So the run on liquidity came in our window 950 to 1010. Now I'm gonna add 10 to 11. This is the time now that we want to take entry off of, okay? We want to see it displace the opposite direction. And run out, didn't displace. No, there's displacement right there, but it gave another liquidity grab right before it outside of our window. Let's see if this one, I'm not gonna take entry here, but let's see if it would have gave us a, let's see if it would have hit. So if we had a fair value gap right here, and we have another one right above it, if we got two of them, we're gonna make sure we put our stop loss covering both of them. Okay, and we're gonna take entry off the one that gets tapped first. Okay, again, I'm not taking this one. This one's not going to be added to the profits in the end because it's not within the window. But let's just see what would have happened. It got tapped in and it got stopped out. Okay, so at this point, this one isn't looking good to me. I wouldn't have even done nothing. You can see that it left all kinds of fair value gaps, never tapped a single one of them. No, it was ugly. Okay, well, let's go to the next day. And this was Wednesday. Let's go to the next day. How y'all here, man? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? Did y'all sleep good last night? Y'all have a good breakfast so far? Y'all eat something good for the day? If you traded, how's your trading week going? You winning? You what? If you down, it's all good. You gonna get out a big player or misses. You know. If y'all enjoying the video so far, please drop a like for that YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it a lot. It helps the channel grow. Helps me grow as a trader, helps me reach other traders who can provide me feedback, criticism, let me become a better trader so I can continue to, you know, chase financial freedom. And hopefully, of course, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is just how I approach it and everything. But if this, whatever, helps you learn how to trade, that's awesome. That's freaking awesome. And I'm happy for you. It makes me happy. All right, let's see right here, 950. Let's look for some liquidity. Got liquidity right here. We got a bunch of liquidity right here. For some reason, I have a feeling it's going to take out this side, or it will take out this side, then target this side, or it'll take out this side, target that side. We'll see what happens. Take out this side. Let's see if it'll have a displacement lower. So the run on liquidity came in our window. There's a displacement. There it is. Okay. We're going to look to take entry off this. It's going to be a 1% risk. Okay. I ain't going to risk no more than 1%. Stop loss will be above the one candle here. It'll be about a 5 pip stop loss, just drawing it off to 5 pips. We'll target a 1-to-1 where we'll pay ourselves some partials. And then after that, we'll target like a 1-to-3R or something. Okay, now there's a new fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my entry to this one, and I'm going to keep stop loss the same. Still 1% risk. Okay, I'm going to notate that 1%. Now we are from our 10 to 11 time, so this is a valid entry. We're in there. We're in there like swimwear. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, came back into the deeper one. I want to take out. I want to go. Oh. Come on, let's go into some profit. Let's go back into profit, bro. Huh? We would have stood in it throughout. Oh, we would have hit a 1-to-1. So let's say we hit a 1-to-1, right? So we claimed 1% of 100,000, which is $500, right? So we're gonna claim 500. This is our new balance now. Now we're gonna target a 1-to-3 R. And we're also going to move our stop loss halfway between our entry and original stop loss. Why? Because if price comes back, stops us out here, we only have 0.5% running. And that's based off of this stop loss. So this whole range is 0.5%. But if you cut that in half, this stops us out, it's minus 0.25% loss. And at the end of the day, 2.25% is $250. So minus 250, we'd still be up net $100,250. So we'd still be profitable. So let's just play this out, see what happened for this day. All the way through lunch. I just left it trading through lunch. Ugh. I probably would have closed it a long time ago, I'm not gonna lie. Let's just say we close it right now, all right? Because honestly, it's looking really, really ugly. Let's just say that we So let's just say that we closed right here, right? So that's about 0.88. If it was a 1%, it'd be about $880. So half of that, it's about $440 profit that we're gonna close it in. Okay, so plus 440. Okay, we're at 100,000. Yeah, $100,940 right now. Okay, now let's go to the next day. See what happens. And what have y'all ate today? Have y'all ate today? If you ate today, let me know what you ate today. I had me some steak. I'm sorry if you don't eat animals. None, I don't mean to offend if you don't eat animals, if you are against it. I don't want to, you know. Anyways, awkward, but all right, so we're here. Let's go to 1 minute now. All right, so right here, 950, right? Where's liquidity? Currently, liquidity is right here. Boom. Liquidity is down here. Boom. Let's see what happens. There's a run on liquidity. See some displacement. It's ran out more liquidity to the left. Didn't run out this one though. Let's see if it runs it out before displacing. Yep. There's a displacement right there. Boom, there's our fair value gap. So we're gonna set our 1% entry right here. Short position, sell limit, stop loss will go above the one candle right here. It'll be a 5 pip stop loss. Again, we'll target 1-to-1 where we will take partials and then target 1-to-3. Okay, there's a minor fair value gap right there. So I'm gonna annotate it and I'm gonna move my entry, okay? Stop loss will stay the same. So we're gonna take entry off of this one. We're gonna prioritize that one. Let's see what happens. All right, we're in there, we're in there, we're in there, we're in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's a big hit. That sucks. That's a bummer. That's minus 1%. So that's minus 1,000. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. What time is it? 10:10. All right, that could still be another run on liquidity, right? Because right here, 10 o'clock. Yeah, our entry was fine. We were still following rules, but that could be another run on liquidity right here. So if it displaces the opposite direction, then we can look for another entry. I wouldn't consider that much displacement, huh? Even though there's a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap, but would you consider that displacement? I don't know if I would. Like this was a displacement candle. Those just look like little candles. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to pass on this one, huh? Oh, we just took a loss today. That's okay though. All right, that's okay. That's okay. That's all right. All right, that's all right. Let's go to the next day. We took a loss. Yeah, so like, do y'all go to the gym or whatever? I like to go to the gym. Today I'm gonna go and work out my quads, do some legs, some barbell squats, you know, some Tom Fat shit stuff. Sorry, I don't mean to cuss. Okay, so we're here. All right, 950 to 1010, and then 10 to 11. Okay, liquidity. Where's it at? Way down here. Wow. Either this or it'll just run out this high here that is just created, and maybe we'll see some displacement down. Oh, it ran out that one. Let's see some displacement up. I mean, that's a tap into the order block, but we're not trading order blocks here. If you were trading order blocks, look at this was your last down close candle right here. And ICT says as soon as the price trades above that candle, that's a valid order block. And you can see that price just tapped it. Of course, I'm not going to enter here because it's not off a fair value gap, but let's see if that would have held. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Dog. I'm gonna start trading order blocks, bro. I don't I don't know what else is order blocks. Hello, nice hi. Like what's up? Anyways, so we're still in the time for liquidity. That's crazy. Time for liquidity runs, the 950 to 1010 window, it just ran out of liquidity. Let's see if it'll displace to the downside. Holy cow. No, I didn't see nothing. I don't know if y'all seen anything because I didn't see nothing. There was nothing there. There was no displacements there. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Now this is why I love the OTE that I'm utilizing. Just a little teaser. We would have just took this from right here to right here. Boom. That would have been an entry right there. Boom. Oh my goodness, we would have been crazy. Go check out my recent OTE videos, like the one where I say 13% in it. That's crazy. I'm telling you, that OTE is phenomenal. Anyways, yeah, so there wasn't nothing here on Euro USD for this day either. So we're just gonna fast forward again. Yeah, so I'm thinking about getting me some new shoes. Kind of need some new shoes. Started playing basketball again and just got my ankles broken. Just need some new shoes. My shoes aren't the best, but there's some shoes. Kind of feels like I'm playing like barefoot though. It's kind of rough. Anyways, here we are. I don't mean to tell y'all my problems. Y'all not here to hear that, huh? Anyways, right here, here's some liquidity. Just got ran out. There's some liquidity down here as well. Bunch of relative equal lows. Okay, let's see if we can get some displacement to the opposite side now. Man, it's such a teaser, huh? It looks like it's gonna do it, and then it just closes all dumb, all licked up. Oh my goodness gracious, what happened here? My goodness. At 10? There was some crazy news at 10, dude. That's insane. So what happened here? Price obviously retraced into this fair value gap, tapped into this order block right here. Yep, that's exactly what happened there. Now, I'm telling you, optimal trade entry on the 1 minute is dirty, dude. Freaking sick. Telling you. Freaking dirty. Now, I know y'all not here for that. Y'all not here for that. You know what I mean? Y'all are not here to hear about that. Y'all not here for that. But anyways, it just ran out liquidity to the upside. A lot of liquidity to the upside. So let's see if it displaces to the downside. All right. All right. I don't see no displacement though. There's a fair value gap that just tapped. Nah. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. There was nothing here again. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to think Silver Bullet does not work on Euro USD. Gracious. So, if you could be a flower, what kind of flower would you be? Would you be like a rose, sunflower? I don't know many other flowers. Anyways, all right. We're right here. We'll drop down to the 1 minute now. All right, 950. 10 and 10. All right, let's look for it now. Now, where's the liquidity? Liquidity is right here. Liquidity is down here. Yeah, we ran out buy side. See if it displaces. Oh, that's a displacement candle. All right, that's what we like to see. However, we can't enter until we reach 10, 10 to 11. So we'll hold off on our entry. Taps it. Oh my gosh, and thank goodness we didn't freaking enter that. That would have freaking a fatality if you play Mortal Kombat. That would have been awful, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. So, anyways, it ran out all this buy side. Let's see if it displaces to the downside. Thank gosh we didn't mention that, bro. Insane. There's displacement. Oh, snap. Let's see if, and no market structure shift because I don't think we need it. Let's see if we take our entry right here because we are in our time. That's the liquidity run. Stop loss would be here. Take profit one, where we will take partials, will be right here. Let's see if we get tapped in. I made another one, so we're gonna move our entry to this one right here. Now, I know it's a huge stop loss. I get it. I really do. I don't like it either. Let's see what happens. Oh, I just made another one. Oh my gosh. Now at this point, I don't think I'd keep my stop loss way up here. I'd move my entry right here. Dude, honestly, do I even want to enter this? This is like, it's kind of looking ugly. Honestly, I don't want to enter this. You know what? For the video's sake, I'm gonna enter this. I'm gonna enter this for y'all. You know, who cares, right? I care, but at the same time, so what? All right. All right. So this is where our stop loss would be. Take profit one would be down here. Let me know in the comments down below if you would have taken this. It's crazy. We made another one right here. Tiny little fair value gap. We're just gonna put our entry right there. Just leave our stop. Okay, we're tapped in. Oh, let's go. Let's freaking go. That's a 1-to-1. So we're gonna claim partials. If we risked, all right, let's say that we risked, if we stuck with 1%, our risk right now with 1%, we would have been up $1,000. If we claimed half of it, then we'd be up 500. Okay, and then we're gonna move our stop loss halfway. So if it comes back and stops us out, we'll lose 250, still be profitable, and we're gonna target a 1 to 3R. Dirty, bro. Dirty. All right. Hit it, hit it. Oh, I really came close to hitting it, dude. Oh, I came so close. Came so close. Let's see. If it breaks this high right here, I'm gonna just close it, okay? I'm gonna just close it if it breaks that high. I'm gonna just leave it alone. Oh, we hit it. We hit it. 1 to 3. Boom. And when did it hit? It hit 12:47. So it hit during lunch. During the lunch hour between 12 and 13, 12 and 1, aka it hit. So 1 to 3. So is 0.5. If $500 was running at 1 to 1, then it'd be 1,000 at 1 to 2, and this would be 1,500 at 1 to 3. So we're gonna do plus 1,500 equals good. Almost up 2%, dog. All right, let's go to the next day. So far, we did about a week of back testing. Waking up, I'm making my coffee right now, you know. There's 9:50, there's 10, 10, 10. Drop to the 1 minute. Let's see. All right, so here we are. And just ran out this liquidity, but that don't matter because the liquidity run has to come from 9:50 to 10:10. Let's see what happens. There's liquidity there. There's liquidity right down. All right, let's see what happens. I need some liquidity right here too. So if it takes that out and displaces away, we'll look for a sell. It took it out. There's some displacement, but it don't matter. All right. Validating. Okay, it took out liquidity. Let's see it displace the opposite way. Displacement down. Displacement down. Displacement down. Nothing. Nothing, bro. Nothing for this day, bro. It was an ugly day for that one. All right, whatever. We'll go to the next day. Trying to think of what to ask y'all while we're waiting for, 9:50. But it's okay. I'll think of something to ask y'all on the next one. Right here at 9:50, where's the liquidity? Some right here. Some up here. All right, we ran out the sell side, so let's see if we can get displacement up. That's a displacement candle, I'd say. And then if you look at the high here, they were relative equal highs. So this would be considered a swing high for me. So that would also be like a market structure shift for you market structure shift traders. Here. So we prioritize entry right here off of this one. Stop loss would go off under the one candle. Target a 1-to-1 R. Okay. But wait. No, we wouldn't yet. We wouldn't yet. I caught myself. It's not 10 yet. It's not 10 yet. So we're gonna take this off until 10. See what happens. Okay, so we created another fair value gap. And since there's two, we're gonna put stop loss down here. We're gonna target 101 up here. Now it's time for entry. You know what? We're gonna enter that one because it created another fair value gap right here. Well, let's say we moved our entry up. Let's say we didn't even notice it till now. Let's say we would notice on the close. So we're gonna enter at the close and not at the wick. It's okay. So now I'm gonna leave my stop loss alone here. See what happens. 101R hit. So we just hit 500 bucks plus 500. Nice. We're up 2.5%. So now we're gonna move our stop loss halfway. So whatever happens, we're a winner after all. We're a winner all in all, eh? We got this. Dang, 1 to 3 is kind of far. But it don't matter. Woo! 1 to 3 are hit, so that's another 1,500. Beautiful. Plus 1,500. Ciao, we're up freaking 4% right now, dude. Silver bullet working in Forex? I think it might. I think it might. I don't know. I had my doubts at first, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna ask you guys, if you could be an animal, what kind of animal would you be? I don't know. I'd probably be like, that's a tough one. I think alligators are really sick. I like alligators. Crocodiles are dope. Alligators and crocodiles, and then I don't know though, grizzly bears are insane. It'd be dope to be a grizzly bear, but at the same time they're big, you know? They're fast though. You know what? I'd be a grizzly bear. They eat everything. All right, let's drop to 1 minute now. Let's look for liquidity, and let's look for a liquidity run. Liquidity run, let's look for displacement to the upside. Okay, so it displays to the downside. There was no liquidity run. There's a liquidity run there. Let's see if it displaces up. Okay. Okay, I like. All right, I'm gonna take an entry off of this one right now. All right, we're looking good. And it's a Monday. Happy Monday. Shoot. Put our stop loss right here. 5 pips. Target a 1-to-1. All right, we're in there. See what happens. Ah, we got stopped. We got stopped out. That's minus 1,000. Oh man, so we're 3% up on the account, which is cool, You know, it's cool. But if you notice, here's another liquidity run right here. And then it kind of took out, and you could say that a market structure shifted as well. There's a fair value gap, tapped it, and now there it is moving away. Of course, we wouldn't take this entry. Why not? Because the liquidity run isn't within our 950 to 1010. So it's minus $1,000. All right, let's go to the next day. Again, y'all, if y'all are still here watching, if y'all are still here, I appreciate your time. If you appreciate mine, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate that. you aren't subscribed, hopefully we've earned your subscription by now. And if not, shoot, man, what kind of standards you got, huh? Let me find out. No, I'm just kidding. How can I earn your subscription? Oh, just kidding. Anyways, so right here we are 950. Where's the liquidity? We got some right here. Now we're like really close to taking out. Now we got some down there. See what happens. All right, we took that one out. See some displacement. Got some liquidity there. If it displaces up, maybe we could look for a buy. All right, all right. Okay, you know what? We took out this liquidity right here. I know it was just a wick, but that's considered like liquidity in my opinion. And that is opinion based. This is how I approach the markets. What works for me might not work for you. But I'm not a financial advisor, so that's why. Anyways, we see a fair value gap right here. And it's within our time to trade. So I'm gonna set a buy limit right here. Stop loss will be right here. We're gonna look for a 1-to-1. All right, so created another fair value gap here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my entry up onto this one. I'm gonna leave stop loss alone. 1-to-1. Let's see. All right, we're in there. Oh, it came so close. Come on, let's go hit it. Oh no. We took another L. All right, that's minus another 1,000. Dang, bro. Now we're on a little losing streak. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, I'm gonna ask y'all, when y'all are on a losing streak, what do y'all do to get your psychology right? Do y'all smoke? Do y'all drink? Do y'all just get your psychology right without any of that stuff because you're a badass? Tell me what you do. I need to know the secret sauce. Because me, bro, I cry. Just kidding. Stupid. Anyways, 950 to 10. 10, 10. Boom. 211. Not 11. 11. All right, let's. All right here. There's some liquidity here. 950. There's liquidity way up here. Maybe it'll create some right here and then we'll consider that liquidity. All right, we'll consider this liquidity, okay? Okay, I ran out liquidity. See if it displaces to the downside. No. Ran out more liquidity. Let's see if it displaces to the downside. Ran out more liquidity. Displacement. No. No. Check out that OTE though, bro. Chale. All right. Anyways, I'd have been about a 1-to-6R with the OTE. There was nothing here though for you for Wednesday here. I'll buy it. Do y'all got any pets? Any dogs, cats, turtles, hamsters, snakes? I don't like snakes, but if you got a snake, sure. Not sure, but like, sure what kind of snake you got or whatever, let me know. Like, share it. I don't wanna touch it. Anyways, all right, we're gonna play it out. All right, liquidity. Oh gosh, it ran it out already. There's liquidity down here, ran it out. Maybe it'll run out this one. Ran it out. You see some displacement up. There's some displacement. Boom. Fair value gap right here. However, we're not at 10 just yet, so we're not going to look for entry yet. If it taps it, we'll enter. We'll enter right now. Screw it. Screw it. I know it's closed below it. Oh well. We're in there. 2. We'll just target a 1 to 2. All right, we got stopped out. Now, why did I take this trade? Because in my eyes, this fair value gap was still valid. Took out liquidity, and it didn't take out any other liquidity. All it did was it retraced into this fair value gap. So what you could say was what happened was like the 2022 model. Here's a run on liquidity right here. Market structure shift from this wick right here. Here's the fair value gap here, fair value gap here. You could say that this was the last up candle that it actually didn't tap into it. So we wouldn't even worry about that. But I mean, even like a breaker block, I might be applying this wrong, but this is like your breaker block, your last, this candle right here is your breaker block. It tapped into the breaker, but I just lost again. So I'm gonna do minus 1,000. Oh man, the way that I trade the silver bullet does not look like it's gonna turn out right. All right, let's see. It just ran out more liquidity. Let's see. If it displaces up, maybe we'll look for another buy. Nah. All right, let's go to the next day. This is gonna be the last one for this one video, y'all. I'm gonna make a 2-part because this video already is pretty long. So this is gonna be the last one, and then I'm gonna post a part 2, just resuming where we left off for this one, okay? All right. So 950. If it displaces up, that's some displacement. It's fair value up. Taps into it, but we're not gonna enter. Why not? Because we're not at 10 yet. It just took out more liquidity. So if it shoots down, displaces down, look for a, oh my goodness gracious. All right. All right, so we're gonna take a sell off right here. Stop us, since it's that big, we're just gonna put it above the fair value gap candle. We're in there. Let's see what happens. Nice. Was that a 1 to 1 yet? Not quite. All right. We're gonna stay in this. Hit a 1 to 1. Come on, come back. Nice. All right. So that's plus $500. Nice. Yeah. And then we're gonna move our stop halfway. All right. Now let's play it out for 1 to 3. Well, where is 1 to 3, right? Here. All right. Let's play it. We hit it. All right. So we hit it at the end of lunch. And so that's plus 1,500. Boom. Back up 3%, dog. Yeah. But like I said, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna do a part 2 to this, resume where we just left off. And yeah, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this content, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, and let me know you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, let me know as well. If you're not subscribed, hopefully I earned your subscription, dog. If not, then man, it's tough. But until next time, you guys, Hot Shot is out.